Your task is not to seek for love, but merely to seek and find all the barriers within yourself that you have built against it. Stop acting so small. You are the universe in ecstatic motion. What you seek is seeking you. Don't grieve. Anything you lose comes around in another form. Yesterday I was clever, so I wanted to change the world. Today I am wise, so I am changing myself. You were born with wings. Why prefer to crawl through life? Don't be satisfied with the stories, how things have gone with others. Unfold your own myth. Everything that is made beautiful and fair and lovely is made for the eye of one who sees. Why should I be unhappy? Every parcel of my being is in full bloom. Raise your words, not voice. It is rain that grows flowers, not thunder. Ignore those that make you fearful and sad, that degrade you back towards disease and death. There is a candle in your heart, ready to be kindled. There is a void in your soul, ready to be filled. You feel it, don't you? Words are a pretext. It is the inner bond that draws one person to another, not words. Goodbyes are only for those who love with their eyes, because for those who love with heart and soul, there is no such thing as separation. Set your life on fire. Seek those who fan your flames. I know you are tired, but come. This is the way. This is love. To fly toward a secret sky, to cause 100 wheels to fall each moment, first to let go of life, finally to take a step without feet. The wound is the place where the light enters you.